right. Toy. Here. How.
Oh my gosh, what is it?
I don't know. It's those rat toys, you silly.
Ooh, what one did you get?
We got Robo Ryan.
Oh, is it the gold one?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Okay, next one. Next one.
Oh.
Kids, what is this? This is some Ryan's. Hey, what is this? Let's take it out.
Is there something else in there?
Wait. You can download or tag with Ryan.
Ooh, Tag with Ryan. That's a fun game, huh?
Yeah. You can select every figure you want.
Wow.
I hope we get Dark Titan.
Dark Titan?
Yeah. Oh, we did got Dark Titan. There's Invisible Ryan too. Oh well, all of my fuzzy red combo panda. Red combo panda? Where is he? Right here. Great. Kids, that's red combo panda. Labor combo panda. Now what's open mine? That's Navigator. Now what's open mine now? Let's see what you got.
Wait, can you turn it around so we can see what's inside? Ooh.
Let's open it.
Yep, let's open it.
What?
What is that? Ray, what's that called?
I don't know. I can't open it. I got the figurine right here, and I go put those figurines.
What'd you get?
Oh, this is it. Go Ryan!
Xavier, you're number 1.
Yay, go Ryan! Go Titan! Go Titan! Go Titan! Go Titan! Go Titan! Go Titan!
Are you Super Ray?
Yes! He's Red Titan. Up there, wait! They're cool. Go Ryan, go Red Titan, go Red Titan. You are number 1. You are number 1. Oh, there's nothing inside.
There's nothing inside.
Yeah.
Well, what about the box? Can you just keep the box to keep stuff in?
Yeah. We can keep it. What do we want? Yeah. Hey, what? What's in this treasure chest? I don't know. Wow, it has a lot of ride stuff. It has a number 1. Fancy. Is that Ryan's mask?
You like Ryan, huh, buddy?
Yeah. Let me give it a key. Let me put this on. Then I put my keep on. Dot dot dot. Super Ray. Where I put there. Ray, stop taking my toys. What's wrong with you? That thing. Let me up. Yeah. Laser. Hypnotizer.